Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up keyword rank tracking using AccuRanker, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the AccuRanker website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Fill in the required details such as email, password, and your company information. Once your account is created, log in using your credentials. You will be directed to the AccuRanker dashboard. To set up keyword rank tracking, click on the New Project button. Enter a suitable name for your project that reflects its purpose. In the domain field, input the URL of the website you want to track. Next, choose the search engine you would like to monitor rankings for. Select the geographical location relevant to your target audience. Now, navigate to the Keywords section and click on Add Keywords. You can manually enter keywords one by one or upload them in bulk. Make sure to choose relevant keywords that align with your SEO strategy. Once you've added your keywords, click on the Save button. Next, you will see the option to schedule regular updates for your rank tracking. Choose the frequency of updates, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. After configuring your settings, click Create Project to finalize setup. AccuRanker will start tracking your keywords and collecting data. You can view real-time keyword rankings on the dashboard. Explore the various reports available for deeper insights into performance. Utilize the filters to analyze rankings based on different criteria. Make any adjustments to keywords or ranking settings as needed over time. Review your project regularly to assess SEO performance and make informed decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.